In a quaint village, there lived a little girl named Lily. Lily was known throughout the village for her boundless kindness and warm heart. She loved taking care of the flowers in her garden. Each day, she carefully watered them and admired their vibrant colors, her gentle hands ensuring they always thrived. One sunny morning, as Lily was walking to school, she noticed an elderly woman struggling to carry a heavy basket of fruits. Without hesitation, Lily hurried over and offered to help. The elderly woman smiled gratefully as Lily carried the basket, and they chatted cheerfully as they walked together. Once they arrived, the elder lady reached into the basket and handed Maya a shiny red apple. "Thank you, dear," she said with a warm smile. "This apple is for you, as a small token of my appreciation for your kindness." In the school's classroom, Lily shared her lunchbox with her friend, Emma, who had forgotten hers at home. With a warm smile, Lily split her sandwich, apple, and cookies, making sure Emma had enough to eat. One day, as Lily was walking home from school, she heard a soft whimpering sound coming from a nearby ditch. Peering down, she saw a small puppy stuck and shivering. Back at home, Lily's mom was in the kitchen preparing a meal. Lily excitedly told her mom about the puppy and the elderly woman she had helped. Smiling, her mom handed her a freshly baked cookie and said, "I made these just for you, as a special treat for all your kindness today."